welcome to the Would-Be Carpenter Shop. My name is Donald, and today we're going to be working on this mid-century modern spider leg folding table. It has a broken hinge on it. I'll show you. So this hinge needs to be rebuilt. It actually comes out from this one, so the piece could fold, or fold back and then come out. And these barrels was on both sides of them to do just that. Now it's broken, so I have no clue where to get one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fabricate one out of this piece of brass weight that I have been laying around. I kept these just in case I needed a bulk brass piece to build something, and this will come in handy. Just wanna make sure that the actual weight itself is as big as the brass piece I need, and I believe it is. Yeah, it's gonna work good. It'll just, okay. So what I'm gonna do to start, I'm going to take and get the thickness of this barrel, which is the thickest piece on the hinge, and then make a cut right here. Just cut a slice of that off. And then I'll use some files in my grinder and shape it, drill it, and get it on there. All right, so let's see what we can do. Doggy. 2 years later. All right. So far, this is what we got. It's not pretty. Okay. This. Nice. Built up nice and closed in there. Okay. I've started sanding just real light on the finish just to knock down the finish. And I'm going to put another finish on it just to make it look nice. But the hinge turned out really good. It's the hinge that we replaced right there. And it's working good. It's working good. Right here where they did the repair before, this is where I glued it yesterday. But someone had put a screw in there, so I'm going to take a little bit of putty and fix that and just clean it up so it looks like the rest of them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.